Hello everyone, this is my review of the Kenzon Men's Trimmer 14-piece grooming kit. The first thing I noticed was how versatile this kit is. It comes with multiple attachments for trimming your beard, hair, nose, ears, and even body hair. So it basically covers all your grooming needs in one device. The blades feel sharp and precise, which makes trimming smooth without pulling or snagging. I like that the design follows your face's shape, so it's easy to achieve clean lines and detailed edges when shaping a beard or mustache. Another feature I really appreciate is the long battery life. After a full charge, it can run for up to 3.5 hours, so I can use it multiple times before needing to recharge. That makes it great for travel or just everyday convenience. The waterproof design is also a big plus. I can use it for wet or dry trimming and rinse the attachments underwater when I'm done, which keeps everything clean and easy to maintain. Overall, this grooming kit has been reliable, easy to use, and extremely versatile. If you want one tool that handles beard trimming, haircuts, and detailed grooming, this kit has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.